Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to subscribe to NordVPN but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 so you can save big on your subscription. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that saves you the most. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs worldwide, with thousands of servers, blazing fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC, iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just securing your connection on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN is one of the best investments you can make for your online privacy. Here are the codes you can try to save on your subscription. Save 83, save up to 83% off long-term plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new customers. Save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN coupon codes like this won't last forever, and it's the perfect time to save money on your subscription. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing securely today. If this video helped you save, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.